GoPro has announced that it will be reducing its workforce by approximately 15% this year as part of a broader restructuring effort aimed at cutting operating expenses. This move will result in around 139 job cuts, set to begin in the third quarter and be completed by the end of 2024. The company anticipates restructuring charges between $5 million and $7 million, with cash expenses of $1 million expected in the third quarter and an additional $4 million to $6 million in the fourth quarter of 2024. Following the announcement, GoPro's stock rose by 1.5%. As of June 30th, the company had 925 full-time employees. In its recent financial report, GoPro revealed a 22.7% decrease in second quarter revenue, totaling $186 million, and a 5% increase in operating expenses, which amounted to $103 million. Additionally, the U.S. International Trade Commission has initiated an investigation into GoPro's allegations that Chinese firm Arashi Vision is infringing on its camera-related patents by importing C. Millar products into the U.S.